The 10 top-selling NFL jerseys right now. Every true NFL fan knows the thrill of showing off team pride, and there's no better way to do it than by sporting a jersey of your favorite player. Whether going to the stadium, hosting a watch party at home, or just out and about, wearing an NFL jersey instantly boosts your game day spirit and connects you with fellow fans. With the 2024 NFL season quickly approaching, the excitement is building, and it's already showing in jersey sales. Fans are eagerly grabbing the jerseys of both legendary icons and emerging stars. From Tom Brady, who continues to dominate jersey sales even in retirement as he transitions to broadcasting, to Caleb Williams, the highly anticipated rookie, these jerseys are flying off the shelves. These sales trends give us a glimpse into which players are capturing the hearts and hopes of fans for every team. Let's look at the top 10 best-selling NFL jerseys right now and explore what has fans excited to watch them this season. 10. Christian McCaffrey. The Madden 25 cover athlete got paid this offseason and is expected to continue his dominance in 2024. Jersey. Men's San Francisco 49ers Christian McCaffrey Nike Scarlet Vapor FUSE Limited Jersey. Christian McCaffrey had a stellar season with the San Francisco 49ers and was one of the main reasons they found themselves in the Super Bowl. Leading the charge for the 49ers' potent offense, McCaffrey racked up an NFL-leading 1,459 rushing yards and 14 touchdowns on the ground, adding 67 receptions for 564 yards and 7 touchdowns. He set a new 49ers record by scoring a touchdown in 13 consecutive games and finished second in touchdowns among running backs. McCaffrey's performance earned him the 2023 AP NFL Offensive Player of the Year award and a third-place finish in MVP voting. It also landed him a spot on the cover of the next edition of Madden 25. As fans patiently await the release of the newest NFL video game, they're getting a hold of the jersey showcased on the cover. 9. Jahmyr Gibbs. After seeing their first playoff win since 1991, Lions fans have high hopes for their second-year running back. Jahmyr Gibbs RB Detroit Lions. Jersey. Men's Detroit Lions Jahmyr Gibbs Nike Black Second Alternate Game Jersey. Jahmyr Gibbs had a breakout season as a rookie with the Detroit Lions, becoming one of the most exciting young players in the NFL. Sharing the backfield with David Montgomery, Gibbs rushed for 945 yards and 10 touchdowns on 182 carries. He also contributed significantly in the passing game, hauling in 52 receptions for 316 yards and a touchdown. His ability to make plays on the ground and through the air helped the Lions snap a 32-year playoff win drought and advance to the NFC Championship game. According to GM Brad Holmes, in an appearance on The Rich Eisen Show, Gibbs will have a much bigger role in the 2024 season. They plan to up his workload and use his versatility to create mismatches against defenses. Coming off of a year where he finished 5th in the NFL in yards per attempt, yet 28th in attempts, Lions faithful want to see the ball in his hands more often. Fans are eagerly watching to see how Gibbs will continue to develop and contribute to the Lions' offense, making his jersey a popular choice. 8. C.J. Stroud. Expectations are high for the Texans' second-year quarterback. Jersey. Men's Houston Texans C.J. Stroud Nike Red Alternate Game Jersey. Men's Houston Texans C.J. Stroud Nike Navy Game Jersey. C.J. Stroud had a remarkable rookie season with the Houston Texans, quickly establishing himself as one of the most promising young quarterbacks in the NFL. Stroud completed 63.9% of his passes for 4,108 yards and 23 touchdowns, with only 5 interceptions in 15 games. He joined the ranks of Tom Brady and Joe Montana as one of the few quarterbacks to lead the NFL in passing yards per game and touchdown-interception ratio in their rookie year. Stroud's historic season earned him the 2023 AP NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year award and a spot in the Pro Bowl. After beating the Browns in the wild card round, he became the youngest quarterback in history to win a playoff game at just 22 years old. Looking ahead to the 2024 season, the Texans have bolstered their offense with the addition of Pro Bowl receiver Stefon Diggs, adding more talent to their already explosive wide receiver room. With a healthier offensive line and the improved weapons around him, Stroud should take another significant leap forward, and the fans know it. 7. Tom Brady. In his second season off the field, Brady's debut in the broadcast booth has fans racing to grab his jersey. Jersey. Men's Tampa Bay Buccaneers Tom Brady Nike Pewter Alternate Game Jersey. Tom Brady may have hung up his cleats, but his presence in the NFL remains strong as he transitions to the broadcast booth for the first time in 2024. After announcing his final retirement following the 2022 season, Brady signed a massive 10-year, $375 million contract with Fox Sports to become their lead NFL game analyst. Brady's illustrious career, which includes 7 Super Bowl victories and countless passing records, sets a high bar for his broadcasting career. Fox is confident in Brady's ability to bring insightful analysis and unique perspectives to their NFL coverage, and he's done exceptionally well in media appearances this offseason. Fans may be yearning to hear Brady's insights from the booth, but it's likely his jersey would remain a top seller without that, as they celebrate his legendary career. 6. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Getting a lengthy extension this offseason, fans are excited to be wearing his jersey for years and years to come. Men's Detroit Lions Amon-Ra St. Brown Nike Black Second Alternate Game Jersey. Men's Detroit Lions Amon-Ra St. Brown Nike Black Second Alternate Vapor FUSE Limited Jersey. Amon-Ra St. Brown has been a staple for the new-look Detroit Lions and has certainly solidified his status as one of the league's top wide receivers. In 2023, he recorded career highs with 119 receptions for 1,515 yards and 10 touchdowns, playing a crucial role in helping the Lions win their division for the first time since 1993 and their first playoff win in over 30 years. His performance earned him a 4-year, $120 million contract extension, making him one of the highest-paid receivers in the league. St. Brown's precise route running is some of the best the league has to offer, and it gives him the ability to make plays at all levels of the field. He finished 3rd in the league in receiving yards and tied for 4th in touchdowns in an offense that also had a productive run game. As the Lions look to build on their recent success and push for a deeper playoff run this year, his 4-year extension lets fans know that he's going to be around for a while. 5. Saquon Barkley. After coming over from the division rival New York Giants, Barkley adds another level of dynamism to the Eagles' offense. Jersey. Men's Philadelphia Eagles Saquon Barkley Nike Kelly Green Alternate Game Jersey. Saquon Barkley made some serious waves during the 2024 offseason, signing a 3-year, $37.75 million deal with the Philadelphia Eagles after spending his first 6 seasons with their division rivals, the New York Giants. Barkley's move to the Eagles, who needed an upgrade at running back, adds a dynamic playmaker to their already potent offense, which includes Jalen Hurts, A.J. Brown, and Devonta Smith. In 2023, despite missing 3 games due to injury, Barkley managed to rush for 962 yards and 6 touchdowns, adding 41 receptions for 280 yards and 4 touchdowns. Although these numbers were a step down from his 2022 season, he was still one of the top free agents available this offseason. Barkley's versatility as a runner and pass catcher, combined with his ability to break big plays, is exactly what the Eagles need when their passing game isn't clicking on all cylinders. 4. Brock Purdy. Purdy is looking to come back better than ever. Jersey. Men's San Francisco 49ers Brock Purdy Nike Scarlet Vapor FUSE Limited Jersey. Brock Purdy has changed how fans, front office members, and media look at the last pick of the NFL Draft, or Mr. Irrelevant, forever. What he was able to do last season as a second-year starter coming off of a UCL tear was remarkable. On his way to a Super Bowl appearance, Purdy threw for 4,280 yards and 31 touchdowns, earning his first Pro Bowl selection. He also led the league in passer rating, QBR, and yards per attempt. Purdy's journey from being the last pick in the 2022 NFL Draft to becoming the starting quarterback for a Super Bowl contending team is nothing short of extraordinary. His calm demeanor and command of the offense have earned him high praise from both his teammates and his coaches. Whether the 49ers are able to make it back to the Super Bowl remains to be seen, but none of their fans are thinking about a future without Purdy as their quarterback. 3. Caleb Williams. Williams has a chance to take this talented roster to the next level. Jersey. Men's Chicago Bears Caleb Williams Nike Navy 2024 NFL Draft First-Round Pick Player Game Jersey. Caleb Williams didn't travel the road most first overall selections do. Instead of ending up on the team with the worst roster, he ends up on a team that managed to get to 7 wins with a quarterback who had a QBR below 50. Mixing that with the Bears' aggressive moves in free agency and the rest of the draft, expectations are already high for Williams. His college career was nothing short of spectacular, with over 10,000 passing yards and 93 touchdowns to just 14 interceptions. He also added just under 1,000 rushing yards and another 27 scores. He's not just a big playmaker in the air, he's also a serious threat on the ground. Williams has managed to make a few headlines already in Chicago, setting lofty goals for himself and the team. With a revamped offense featuring new additions like wide receivers Keenan Allen and Romo Duns, along with running back DeAndre Swift, Williams is in a prime position to reach some of those goals. 2. Travis Kelce. Kelce has gained a lot of new fans over the past year. Jersey, men's Kansas City Chiefs Travis Kelce Nike Red Super Bowl 58 game jersey. Travis Kelce continues to be a dominant force in the NFL, and it doesn't seem like he's going to be stopping anytime soon. On his way to a Super Bowl victory last season, Kelce caught 93 passes for 1,084 yards and 5 touchdowns during the regular season and was a huge part of the Kansas City Chiefs' dominant playoff run. In the big game alone, he caught 9 passes for 93 yards, and he now holds the record for the most playoff receptions in NFL history, passing Jerry Rice. It's not just his on-field theatrics that have been making headlines lately though. Kelce was recently spotted performing on tour with his new girlfriend, Taylor Swift. There's no doubt that some of her die-hard fans are trying to get their hands on a Kelce jersey to show their support for Swift. Be that as it may, Kelce is already established as one of the best tight ends to ever play in the NFL, and he has his eyes set on more history as the Chiefs look to become the first team to three-peat. 1. Patrick Mahomes. Mahomes is looking to make history with a three-peat while continuing to elevate his legacy. Jersey, men's Kansas City Chiefs Patrick Mahomes Nike Black Super Bowl 58 Carbon Fashion Game Player Jersey. Men's Kansas City Chiefs Patrick Mahomes Nike Red Super Bowl 58 Game Jersey. Patrick Mahomes has taken the NFL by storm since he took over as the starter for the Chiefs in 2018. In just a few years, he's redefined what it means to have early success, bringing home 3 Super Bowl titles and becoming the youngest player ever to win both a league MVP and a Super Bowl MVP. While other quarterbacks have had incredible early success, like Brady, or some who've had impressive early statistics, like Matthew Stafford, none have been able to put both together so quickly. In the 2023 season, Mahomes was able to lead the Kansas City Chiefs to their 3rd Super Bowl victory under his guidance, while having the worst statistical year of his career. Now, fresh off of back-to-back Super Bowl wins, Mahomes is looking to keep adding his name to the history books. Aiming for a historic three-peat in 2024, it's no wonder his jersey is flying off the shelves as fans look to support one of the most dynamic and successful quarterbacks the NFL has ever seen. As we gear up for another exciting NFL season, it's clear that the passion of football fans knows no bounds. Whether you're rooting for a legend in the game or an emerging star, wearing their jersey is more than just a fashion statement. It's a way to connect with the sport and community you love. With your favorite jersey on, you're not just watching the game, you're part of the action.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.